Welcome to the world of KLK, a pioneer in harnessing solar energy and providing renewable energy solutions. With over 30 years of experience in the various industries, KLK's journey began as KL Khanna Gears Industries Private Limited, incorporated to craft heavy industrial gears for various sectors. Today, KLK stands proud with state-of-the-art solar equipment manufacturing plants that includes solar panel, solar battery packs and other solar power generating system, reflecting a commitment to innovation and quality. From efficient solar panels to energy storage solutions, KLK offers a wide array of products tailored to meet your energy needs. Our esteemed CEO, Mr. Akshat Jain, the driving force behind KLK Ventures, is a chartered accountant, and under his leadership, the company transformed into KLK Ventures Private Limited, expanding itself into energy sector. With a remarkable background in various industries, our CEO has a demonstrated history of success in energy, import-export, accounting, trading, and strategic planning. His passion for rural development and sustainable energy solutions has driven KLK to become a preferred energy partner for government, PSUs, private organizations, and international consumers. Thanks to his vision, Team KLK is empowering rural communities with innovative energy solutions, making a positive impact on lives. Join hands with KLK, your trusted partner in harnessing renewable energy, energy storage, efficient lighting, and innovative solar solutions. KLK, lighting the way to a brighter, greener future. Think smart, think solar, think KLK.